At Vistasparks Solutions, we are committed to providing high-quality services that meet the needs of our clients. Our team of experts has extensive experience in delivering results-driven projects that exceed expectations. We have a proven track record of success in various industries, including finance, healthcare, and technology. Our goal is to provide exceptional customer service, ensuring that every interaction with us is positive and productive. We strive to build long-term relationships with our clients, based on trust, respect, and open communication. We offer a range of services, including project management, consulting, and training, designed to help businesses grow and thrive. Our team is passionate about helping clients achieve their goals and objectives, and we are dedicated to staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies. We believe that by working together, we can create value for our clients and drive business growth. The company has been working on developing a new product line which includes a web-based application for managing digital assets. The development team has been actively involved in testing and refining the application, ensuring that it meets the required standards and specifications. The project timeline has been extended due to unforeseen delays in the development process. The company is committed to delivering high-quality products and services, and the delay is not expected to impact the overall quality of the final product. The development team is working diligently to complete the project by the originally planned deadline. Sitecore Training is essential for businesses to unlock its full potential. Mastering content management, experience platforms, marketing automation, and personalized customer journeys allows companies to gain a competitive edge and achieve greater value. Sitecore experts provide guidance throughout hands-on training, helping learners extract maximum value from the platform. This expertise enables businesses to drive global brand success and achieve measurable growth. Advanced analytics are used to inform strategic decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Investing in Sitecore yields significant benefits and drives long-term business growth. Here's the rewritten text. Our ability to deliver customized training experiences lies in our capacity to cater to your unique needs and goals. With our expert-led training, you can choose from various delivery formats, such as virtual, on-site, or hybrid, allowing you to select the approach that best fits your schedule and priorities. Our hands-on learning approach provides interactive labs and real-world scenarios, enabling you to gain practical skills and knowledge. We offer continuous support throughout your journey to ensure that you receive the support you need to achieve your objectives. Individualized training enables Sitecore skills to be elevated through structured learning pathways. These pathways cater to various skill levels, including beginners, intermediate developers, and advanced professionals. The training helps marketers, content authors, and developers master Sitecore fundamentals and advance their careers. Official certifications gained through this training increase professional credibility and provide access to new career opportunities. Powered content management system enables users to create, edit, and personalize web pages using intelligent features that enhance their skills. The site offers hands-on labs where users can practice and experiment with different features. Publishing workflows are also available, which allow users to manage and publish content efficiently. Real-time analytics provide users with insights into website performance and user behavior. The course covers essential topics such as content management and versioning, and provides practical knowledge on how to use these features effectively. The training also explores AI-assisted personalization techniques, which enable users to tailor their content to individual preferences. The goal of the training is to equip marketers with the necessary tools and expertise to drive career growth and success. The Sitecore XM for Content Authors workshop is designed to provide hands-on training on creating and managing digital content using Sitecore's powerful platform. The workshop covers essential topics such as content creation, layout editing, and media management, which are necessary for producing high-quality, structured content. Participants will learn how to design and customize page layouts with intuitive tools, create engaging content, and optimize digital assets for efficient workflow management. By the end of the workshop, Participants will have gained proficiency in both the experience editor and the content editor, enabling them to publish content seamlessly and professionally. Advanced individual courses are available for those who have already mastered the basics of Sitecore. These courses offer specialized training that can help experienced professionals further develop their skills and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. The advanced courses cover various aspects of Sitecore, including Sitecore XP for marketers, Sitecore Content Hub, and Sitecore Developer Fundamentals. These courses focus on providing in-depth knowledge of key areas such as personalization, digital asset management, and customized strategies. Participants will gain hands-on experience with advanced topics like A/B testing, campaign management, and workflow automation. They will also learn about development best practices and optimization techniques to maximize the effectiveness of their Sitecore implementation. By taking these advanced courses, professionals can enhance their skills and improve their ability to manage complex digital projects. This enables them to deliver high-quality digital experiences that meet the evolving needs of their organizations. With these advanced courses, individuals can position themselves as experts in Sitecore and drive business growth through effective digital marketing and content management. Corporate training is about empowering your team to achieve more by focusing on practical skills that drive alignment with your company's industry expertise. This enables your team to deliver exceptional results. Our expert trainers will guide your team through hands-on experience with Sitecore and digital enhancements, which boosts productivity and efficiency from day one. Tailored group training ensures that your team has the necessary knowledge and skills to meet your business objectives. Our corporate training solutions are designed to provide measurable business outcomes. We can help you transform your team into high-performing units. Our comprehensive training program provides a thorough understanding of Sitecore architecture, features, and strategic benefits. This includes a detailed overview of the platform fundamentals, authoring environment, and developer tools. Each module is carefully designed to address specific needs and challenges, allowing teams to master content creation, collaborative editing, and advanced customization techniques. By investing in our corporate training, organizations can enhance their productivity, improve collaboration, and drive business outcomes. Our expert trainers will guide you through interactive sessions and hands-on labs, ensuring a seamless transition to practical skill mastery. With our tailored approach, you'll be able to align perfectly with your company's digital strategy and business objectives. The company has been using corporate training for several years now. The training program focuses on developing skills that are essential for managing digital content effectively. The training covers topics such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, and content creation. The training also includes hands-on exercises and case studies to help participants develop practical skills. The training is delivered through a combination of lectures, group discussions, and online modules. The training is designed to be flexible and adaptable to different learning styles. The training is highly regarded by participants, who report improved knowledge and skills in managing digital content. The training has helped the company to improve its overall performance and competitiveness. Our clients have achieved remarkable results after completing Vistasparks Sitecore training programs. These results include faster publishing times, higher engagement levels, and quicker delivery of projects. Our clients have seen improvements in client satisfaction, such as Client A reducing content publishing time by 40%, Client B increased personalized content, Client C accelerated project delivery by 30%. Additionally, our training has helped streamline developer workflows and improve overall strategy. Our clients have reported significant benefits from our training, including enhanced business outcomes and improved digital experiences. The company provides customized training solutions for various industries, including finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. The training programs are designed to address specific challenges faced by each industry, such as regulatory compliance, risk management, and process improvement. The company's trainers are experienced professionals who have worked in the respective industries, providing valuable insights and expertise. The training programs include interactive sessions, group discussions, and hands-on activities, which foster collaboration and knowledge sharing among participants. The company offers flexible scheduling options, allowing participants to choose from a range of delivery formats, including classroom, online, and mobile learning. The training programs are delivered by experienced trainers who use a variety of teaching methods, including case studies, role-playing, and scenario-based learning. The company's goal is to equip participants with the skills and knowledge needed to implement changes and drive results in their organizations. Our training programs are designed to equip you with the skills necessary to succeed in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Through our expert instructors, we deliver high-quality training that meets the needs of both beginners and experienced professionals alike. Our training covers a wide range of topics including digital marketing, e-commerce, and content management systems like Sitecore. Individuals can enroll in our training programs at various price points depending on the course content and duration. Corporate clients can also purchase customized training plans tailored to their company's specific needs. Our courses cater to both individual professionals seeking to enhance their Sitecore skills and large-scale enterprise-wide initiatives. We offer role-specific learning paths that allow teams to focus on particular skills. Volume discounts are available for larger teams, which helps organizations save money on employee training costs. Participants who complete our training programs receive certificates of completion. Ongoing support services are also provided to help organizations achieve long-term success. The company has a strong commitment to supporting learners throughout their entire learning journey. The company provides access to a range of resources and tools to help learners master the skills they need to succeed. These resources include interactive sessions with expert instructors, hands-on practice, and community forums and labs. The company's goal is to provide comprehensive support throughout the learner's entire learning process. To help learners achieve certification, the company offers access to its Sitecore learning platform. On this platform, learners can prepare for official Sitecore resources certifications on demand. Once learners have completed their training, the company will continue to support them every step of the way. The company will also provide ongoing resources and guidance to help learners maintain and apply their new skills. Vistasparks Solutions provides Sitecore training programs for businesses seeking to improve their digital marketing skills. Our experienced trainers are certified by Sitecore and have extensive experience in delivering high-quality training sessions. They are knowledgeable about the latest trends and technologies in the field, including digital marketing and technology best practices. Our training programs are designed to meet the specific needs of each client, taking into account their unique industry, goals, and requirements. We offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate different time zones and work styles. Our team is committed to providing personalized attention to ensure that learners receive the most valuable and effective training possible. We also offer ongoing support and guidance to help teams achieve optimal performance and productivity. The next steps are clear and straightforward. We encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity to transform your knowledge into action. By connecting with us, you can start assessing your needs and selecting the right courses for your team or career goals. This will empower you to begin your journey in digital experience management and drive meaningful business outcomes. Let's get started with Sitecore Training today. The training program has provided you with a comprehensive understanding of Sitecore's core features and functionalities. You now possess the knowledge and skills required to implement these features effectively and efficiently. With this newfound expertise, you are well equipped to tackle complex challenges and overcome obstacles that may arise during implementation. Furthermore, the training program has instilled in you a deep appreciation for the importance of collaboration and teamwork in achieving organizational goals. This understanding will serve you well in your future endeavors, as you will be able to work effectively with others to drive business results.